So, this is the rest of the train here. And then that is the very, 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 very end of our train. Quick look at the tram. Okay, ready to board.
Hiya! Welcome to room D. This is our room. We got the sleeper room. You got a chair. This folds out to a less than full bed. And then up here is another bunk. We're using it mostly for storage. We've got clothes, food, more things we bought at Duluth. That's the regular light up there. We've got some cozy. This does not come in the Amtrak. We just.
That's our special.
That's our special treat.
Our surprise.
I saw it on a room tour and I was obsessed. So I said we got to do this. We have it turned as cold as it'll go. It's cold so long as you're sitting next to the window. There's your little light. We've got 2 reading lights. We've got a little table with all of our things on it in the time of COVID. A nice big window. A little storage rack holding a CPAP, and we'll hold some water in a minute. And then, very fancily, our own bathroom that we don't have to share with anybody, which is a huge plus for us, even not in the time of COVID. You've got a toilet paper. We got visited by our room attendant, Manny. He is delightful. And we only have cold meal on this first meal. So when you book a room, all your meals are included. But because we don't have a dining car on the little one, because like he said earlier, we're linking up at Spokane, we get a cold dinner. We opted for the beef panini. We'll tell you how it was. Anyway, bathroom.
Continue on. Bathroom.
Little rail. I forgot to buy hooks. That was what I was gonna do, so that you could hook it onto here. But nothing's really sticking to these walls, so it's fine. They've got plenty of towels. There's actually 2 more towels. We already took them down. You've got a little. This thing comes off, so you can wash your bits and bobs. But shower, toilet, and then over here, little stinky sink.
There's a light switch. That turns off, by the way, all the way.
Little sinky sink over here. It's aggressive. Wash your hands because we touched everything. We also wiped everything down when we moved in today. And I say moved in and I mean moved in. All right. And then we have a little medicine cabinet over here. Medicine cabinet. Sorry, babe. Watch your face.
Thank you.
This was open shelf. This was open shelf. This is their not great toilet paper. Some hand towels. I put a hand towel out already. And some little cups to rinse your mouth out. Because we're in a room, there's just a small hallway. If we were in a roomette, there would be roomettes on either side. So everybody has a window and then the hallway's in the middle.
So we are actually the last car. Past this, they're the roomettes, but it's in the same car as us. At midnight tonight, we will still be the last car on this the extremely long train here. But that's our room tour, and then we have our hanging lights. Baby, can you hit the lights, please? And that's our room tour. On the other side of this door here is another room. You can hear them if they're loud enough. Because I did hear someone talking just a second ago.
Not a roomette.
Not a roomette. Not a roomette. This is a regular room.
And we'll get cozy, and this is what our view is going to be for the next 2 days.
It's lovely.
Lovely.
We are excited.
So excited.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, that does conclude my departure announcement. For those who may have missed my name is Manny once again. I would go ahead and take this opportunity and welcome you guys all aboard. We do appreciate your business here with us at Amtrak and hope you do enjoy your trip. Thank you.
it is nighttime. Finally, the sun went down. It is 7 o'clock. We're about 70 miles outside of Portland, where we're gonna walk the entire length of the train. It's only 4 cars. Right now, it's gonna become a super uber long train. We're gonna walk all the way down to the lounge car and then back. That way we go.
Now he's recording.
Now we're recording.
Hey babes, Yakima Nation, hello. Just got done firefighting 90 days in the woods.
Nice.
I'm here living my best life. Have a good one.
Thank you. Good morning. It is 12:46. As you can see, the locomotive that was powering our 4 cars is now detached. We are in Spokane, Washington. We're gonna just walk around a little bit. Everything's kind of closed. Everyone's asleep upstairs in the other cars, and even in our sleeper car, everyone is very much asleep.
And we
So-
are ready to go to bed eventually.
Yeah, we're actually pretty tired, but this is where our locomotive was attached here. What time did we leave? 4:45.
Yeah.
So yeah, a good solid 8 hours of riding, and it didn't even seem like that. Like we were chilled out. We were watching movies and just kind of relaxing, hanging out. I want to see if I can sit here and watch the train come in. The rain is coming down now. the train's now coupled, so now we have a super long train. Almost 1 a.m. We are going to get some sleep. That's the front of the train back that way. The rear of the train is all the way back that way. We're all the way there at the very end, right over there. That's us. All right, it's been fun. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, we're about to take off.
Train's ready.
All right. That's going to be it for today. We're going to sit here. We're going to get cozy, take off jackets, just kind of relax, kick our feet up, and just enjoy the gentle rocking of the train. This is lovely.
We might bust out our bootleg cheese plate.
All right, maybe we'll show you the bootleg cheese plate when it's all put together. We got our drinks down at the lounge car. Thanks for watching us. Like, comment, subscribe to the Exploring Yeti for more of our adventures. Have a good night.